Hello. ଆମେ ଗତକାଲି good morning to all dear student, welcome to continuation section of endocrine system. Okay, yesterday we have dealt 16 numbers of slide. Okay, glands we have discussed: endocrine, exocrine, heterocrine. Exocrine only product will present in the dog. The example: sweat gland, salivary gland, mammary gland, stomach, liver. Endocrine, that directly secretion, your gland secretion directly mixed with the blood. There is no need of any kind of drug. Okay. Pituitary gland, pancreas, thyroid gland, adrenal gland. These are the examples of the endocrine gland. Next, come back to the heterocrine gland. And it will perform both the exocrine and endocrine function. Exocrine and endocrine. For example, pancreas. Okay. Pituitary we have already discussed. Hormones, pituitary gland. Okay. Today we'll discuss about the follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, today we'll discuss about the follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, follicle stimulating hormone. Yes. Okay. Today we'll discuss about this follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. Okay, FSH. Okay, it is synthesized and secreted by anterior pituitary gland. Follicle stimulating hormone regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation, and reproductive process of the body. Okay, it is synthesized and secreted by anterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland is also known as what? Adenohypophysis or anterior lobe of pituitary gland. What is the function of the FSH or follicle stimulating hormone? It regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation, and reproductive processes of the body. Okay. Next, come back to hormones of the anterior pituitary gland. Luteinizing hormone. It is a hormone produced by the anterior pituitary gland or adenohypophysis. Adeno means what? Adeno means gland. In female, an acute rise of LH triggers ovulation. Acute rise माने कौन? माने टिके कम बढ़िबो. Okay, rise माने बढ़िबा. Okay, बढ़ना. Luteinizing hormone triggers ovulation. माने जो हम माने ये कौन कहबा ओभारी रो जो प्रोडक्शन माने कौन होची रिलीज होची ओवम रिलीज होची ता ओवुलेशन टा के कर हेल्प करे ए ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन टा एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम. ओके, देखो हाउ इट विल control this one is the pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland we are getting the luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. At the same time, hypothalamus will release one of the hormone that is known as GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. That will, okay, that will, what it will call, it will effect on the or release on the pituitary gland. On the other hand, it will affect on the female, माने जदि female रे सेडा हला estrogen and progesterone secretion नेबा ओवारी रो ताहले corpus luteum development habo plus ovulation will be happen. On the other hand, in case of male, okay, testosterone hormone will be, okay, from the testosterone hormone will be produced. Okay, so this one is the function of the luteinizing hormone. Next, come back to intermediate lobe. I have already told you intermediate lobes are also be there. Hypothalamus. Okay, देखो this one is the one nuclei and this one is the another nuclei. The man first nuclei they control over the anterior lobe, whereas the okay second nuclei control over the posterior lobe. Okay, in between anterior lobe and posterior lobe, we will get a this greenish color. We will get the intermediate lobe. Okay, intermediate lobe ରୁ କ'ଣ ବାହାରୁଥିଲା A and B melatonin, then melanocyte stimulating hormone, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା alpha melanocyte stimulating hormone, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା beta melanocyte stimulating hormone. Function they stimulate the production of melanin by melanocyte in skin and hair. MSH and melanocyte stimulating hormone signals to brain have effects on appetite and sexual arousal. Okay, মনে রাখিথাও. Okay, melanocyte stimulating hormone also effect on the appetite. Appetite মানে ভোক লাগিবা, sexual arousal মানে sexual desire. Okay, that is also the under the control of the intermediate lobe, or that is also the control of the alpha melanocyte stimulating hormone. I will have beta melanocyte stimulating hormone. Okay, next come back to the posterior pituitary. This one is the hypothalamus. Okay, okay, this one is the anterior pituitary, this one is the posterior pituitary. Okay, anterior pituitary this is, okay, in hypothalamus we will get a certain nucleus. Okay, first on the neurosecretory cell, they will control over the posterior pituitary gland. Okay, both these glands that blood that hormone will come back to blood vessel. Okay, oxytocin uterine muscle and mammary gland. The oxytocin control the uterine muscle, contraction of uterine muscle. जते बेले कोनसी तमने छुआर कोन हबो, जते बेले छुआ डेलीवरी हेबार अछि, से टाइम रे कोन हबो, what is the function of oxytocin? It will help in the contraction of the uterus. mammary gland रे कोन करबो, वर्तमान से breast to breast milk तमने expressed हेबो. Okay, प्रोलैक्टिन रो काम कोन सी तमे तापरे तमने रिलीज कर, रिलीज हला परे ऑटोमेटिक तमने सिक्रेशन हबो दार. Okay, another one is the ADH. The ADH will control over the kidney tubules. If ADH is present in sufficient amount, or it will control the urination. If it is the deficit of ADH leading to a disease known as diabetic insipidus. So this one is the posterior pituitary. Next, come back to hormones of posterior pituitary. Antidiuretic hormone, it is also known as vasopressin. It is hypothalamic hormones synthesized in the cells of the supraoptic nucleus. ADH is stored in the posterior pituitary. It is hypothalamic hormone synthesized in the cells of the supraoptic nucleus. In the posterior pituitary gland, one nucleus is that is known as supraoptic nucleus. Okay, that will secrete the antidiuretic hormone. Or where it will store in the posterior pituitary. Okay, next come back to function of ADH. Its primary function is to retain water in the body. I have already told you, to constrict blood vessel. What is the function of the ADH or antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin? To retain water in the body. To retain water. Retain man rakhiba, rakhna. To constrict blood vessel. Okay, contraction. Constrict jaguଡ଼ି रखी देबा. Blood vessel जो इटा हवा कथा देखो. Okay, constricted. इटा देखो dilated दाम. और retracted हमें कहबा. किंतु ये constrict ही जाउची. ये जो lumen जो है, ये क्या हो जा रहा है, छोटा हो जा रहा है. Okay, let's come back to disease related to ADH. I have already told you, diabetic insipidus. It is a condition characterized by excessive thirst. जनों को शोष बेसी लागिवो. That is known as polydipsia. One terminology is there, that is known as polydipsia बोली कहा जाए. Okay, remember polydipsia. Okay, polydipsia. Okay, poly. Yeah, DA. Okay, P S I E. Polydipsia. Okay, excessive large amount of severely diluted urine, that is polyuria. What you will write here? That is known as polyuria. You man, everyone will know polyuria. Okay, just I'm right. Okay, polyuria. Okay, this one the polyuria. बुझेला? Next come back to polyuria. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମାନେ more than 2.5 liter in 24 hours. Okay. Here look here. What will be happen here? Okay, suppose this one is the kidney. Okay, যদি ADH ଅଛି ମାନେ control ଅଛି. Okay, ମାନେ ଏଟା ଦେଖ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହିବା ଗୋଟେ ନଟ୍ କୁ ତାକୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କରିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସେଇ ତାର ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ପାନା ଦରକାର. Okay, ସେଥିରେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କଲେ ୟୁରିନ୍ will be controlled. Okay, if that मनकर ढिला कर दिया गला ADH को मनकर ढिला कर दिया गला, what will be happen here? Okay, what will be happen here? Gradually the urine flow will be the more. So you have to know how it will happen. ये माने हेड इंजुरी जण करथिबो कि पिट्यूटरी ट्यूमर समान है और क्रेनियोटोमी. ओके, क्रेनियो ओटोमी जो व्हाट ओटोमी जोठार लिखा हितिबो यू शुड थिंक ओटोमी मीन ओपनिंग. ओके, जो जगह रे ओटोमी लिखा हुआ है जहां पर दिस वन इज द सफिक्स. ओके, दिस वन इज नोन एज ओटोमी. Opening and removal of okay tumor, that is known as otomy. Okay, এটা হচ্ছে suffix, remember this one. Okay, next come back to oxytocin. Oxytocin is synthesized in the hypothalamus, stored in the posterior lobe of pituitary gland. Stored in the posterior pituitary gland. Okay, you have to look here. This one is the hypothalamus. Okay, this one is the neurosecretory cells of the hypothalamus. This one is posterior pituitary. This one is the axon. Okay, when the hypothalamus will release, that will be stored in the okay posterior pituitary. At the time of need, this antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin hormone, will be released into the bloodstream, and that will act on the their target cell. Okay, माने ADH will work on the kidney tube to control the or to retain the water. Okay, and oxytocin act on the mammary glands and uterine muscle. If it will work on the mammary gland, the breast milk will be expressed or the milk will be produced. On the other hand, if it will work on the uterine muscle, the contraction of the uterus will be happen, so that the baby will come to outside. So this is the function of the oxytocin. Next, come back to axon. Oxytocin stimulate contraction of mammary gland to produce milk. I have already told you, stimulate contraction of smooth muscles of the uterus. Okay, you have already known about it. Next, come back to the thyroid gland. Okay, it is present on the neck region. Okay, this one is the venous blood. This one is the arterial blood supply. This is a venous return. This one is the arterial supply. This one is the neck region. Okay, cricoid cartilage. Then we will get the cartilage in the neck region. Cricoid cartilage, thyroid cartilage. Okay, these are the different cartilage we will see in the region. When we will study about the muscles and cartilage, we will learn about details of the thyroid gland. Okay, what type of cartilage is present in the thyroid gland. Okay, anatomy of thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is situated in the neck in front of the larynx and the trachea. Okay, then that means this third thyroid gland is present in front of the larynx and the trachea. Larynx is also known as voice box boli कहा जाए. Okay, trachea ये wind pipe था मैंने जोड़ा कोई. Okay, नहीं. What is the weight of the thyroid gland? The weight of the thyroid gland 25 grams. It looks like butterfly in shape. Butterfly shape ला में देखो thyroid cartilage कहूँ कथाड़ा. Okay, thyroid cartilage. Okay, consisting of two lobes. The lobes are joined by narrow isthmus. Okay, तमना इरा गुटे लोब. Okay, यार यारे गुटे लोब अच्छी. मान लेफ्ट लोब, राइट लोब रोची. Okay, इटा है जब मैं देखिए बाको isthmus तो thyroid gland जाऊँ. ताकु join करूँची. Okay, two hormones will be secreted from the thyroid gland. Triiodothyroxine. Okay, or triiodothyronine. Our tetraiodothyroxine. Or that is known as thyroxine hormone भी हमें कोई होगा. Okay, triiod T3 रो कथा में आसुन देखो जो मन लेडी मन करता मैं T3 T4 टेस्ट करा जाए क्योंकि affect the almost every physiological process in the body, growth and development, metabolism. Okay, body temperature, heart rate, these are the control under the control of the T3. On the other hand, T4 will control the development and maturation. Excess thyroxine result rapid development. Deficiency of thyroxine result in delayed development. Okay, this one is the T3 and T4. Okay, calcitonin, another hormone, is also secreted from the thyroid gland. It is a hormone secreted by the seal cells of the thyroid gland. Okay, it is main actions are to increase bone calcium. Okay, bone रे जो calcium तमने content को बेसी बढ़ाइबो. To decrease blood calcium level. Bone calcium level will be increased. On the other hand, blood calcium level will be decreased. माने serum रे जो calcium थीबो माने 8.5 to 10.5 milligram 10.5 milligram per dl जो हमें देखिबा को पाउ छु. Okay, that will be decreased in case of blood. Calcitonin opposes the effects of parathyroid hormone, which acts to increase the blood level of calcium. Blood level of calcium. Okay, next come back to thyroid is not absolute essential for life. Okay, but its removal in adult leads to poor resistance to cold, mental and physical swing. जो मानकर माने थायराइडेक्टोमी जोड़ा को आजे. थायराइडेक्टोमी को आजे. गुटे सर्जरी करा जाए जोड़ा का मैं थायराइडेक्टोमी बोली कहूँ ताको. Okay, what will tell? Okay, thyroidectomy. Okay, thyroid gland को कौन कराए ताको? Okay. Okay, thyroidectomy. Just wait. Okay, this one is the thyroidectomy. Okay, this one the aim you have to think. Okay, this one is the बुझिएला thyroidectomy. Mental and physical slowing हबो जार त माने बाहर करिया गला ओक्टोमी जो कहितनी. Okay, next come back to mental retardation. माने मानसिक स्तर रे तार वृद्धिटा हेबो ना. Okay, mental retardation हबो. Dwarfism गेड़ा हे जो तार. Okay, so these are the things that will happen due to removal of the what? Thyroid gland. Regulation of thyroid secretion. Thyroid stimulating hormone controls the regulation of thyroid hormone. Okay, hypothalamus that will release one hormone, you know, TRH. TRH means thyroid releasing hormone. That will release on the pituitary gland to produce thyroid stimulating hormone. If that thyroid stimulating hormone will work on the thyroid gland, that will produce T3 and T4. Okay, if T3 and T4 will go to the peripheral tissue, okay, that will help in the growth and development. Okay, mone rakhithao pituitary gland is also known as master gland of the orchestra boli kuha. It is also known as master gland of the orchestra. Okay, the release of TRH by the anterior lobe of the pituitary is regulated by the hypothalamus via negative feedback mechanism. always মানে what মানে suppose blood is মানে suppose bleeding is there, someone has injured and bleeding is going on, that is not under the not that is not control, that is positive feedback mechanism. If that is control, there will be a clot, okay, on that injury part, blood bleeding time will be replaced by the clotting time, okay, that is মানে যদি ব্লিডিং কো যদি কন্ট্রোল হলা that is negative feedback mechanism, আর যদি কন্ট্রোল হলা only bleeding is going on, that is positive feedback mechanism. Are you getting this point? It is the reaction that causes a decrease in function. It occurs in response to some kinds of stimulus. Okay. Next, come back to next come back to decrease related to disease related to thyroid gland. Just wait, dear student. देखो था टिके okay, goiter. Any enlargement of the thyroid gland is called goiter. Okay, caused by iodine deficiency characteristic, माने iodine deficiency से goiter will there. Okay, what is the characteristic features of swelling in the neck? Okay, breathing difficulties, cough, hoarseness of voice, swallowing difficulties. Okay, hoarseness of voice माने आवाज टा मोटा जଣା पड़िबो. Okay, the voice will be okay, माने कोन कहबा डीप कथा कहूची बोले मन कर से जଣା पड़िबो. Next, come back to hypothyroidism. Okay, it is the condition resulting from reduced circulating levels of T3 and T4. T3 and T4. टिके रफ थर्ड ईयर में सेकेंड ईयर क्लास नेबी तो ताहले ओके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर कोन गैटर देखा जिवो पफिनेस ऑफ फेस ओके विथ पेरिऑर्बिटल स्वेलिंग पेरिऑर्बिटल दिस वन इज द पेरिऑर्बिटल remaining class okay just wait dear student okay पेरिऑर्बिटल स्वेलिंग पेरी माने कोन पेरी ऑर्बिटल माने ऑर्बिटल कैविटी ओके आखिर देखो ऊपर माने तान पता माने फुली जाई छै पेरिऑर्बिटल लीडिंग माने तापर लॉस ऑफ स्काल्प हेयर रे ताने हेयर न ओके टोटली ड्रॉपिंग ऑफ द अपर आईलिड ता माने पड़ी होतो लैटरल आईब्रोज थिन एटारे बाल नथिबो लेटरल आईब्रोज थिन Coffee dull face with dry skin. Coffee face with dry skin. Okay, dry, thickened, rough, yellow skin. Okay, next come back to hyperthyroidism. It is the condition resulting from increased circulating of level of T3 and T4. Hyperthyroidism रे कोनो hyper माने excessive. Okay, moderate enlargement of the thyroid gland, or we'll see the goiter. Okay, exophthalmos, lid retraction. तामने आखी जो पताड़ा रही अपर आईलिड और लोअर आईलिड टा पूरा रिट्रैक्ट है माने सते जेमिति का that a ball is coming to outside. Okay, that eyeball is coming to outside. That is known exophthalmos. Exo means हो गया outside. Okay, exo ophthalmos तो मन आयर जो है समिति eyeball टा coming to outside. Okay, next another one, the parathyroid gland. In human there are 4 parathyroid glands. Okay, parathyroid glands are essential for life as their removal can cause death from asphyxia. Okay, chatta में parathyroid gland will see. Okay, parathyroid glands are essential for life and their removal can cause death from asphyxia. Okay. Function of parathyroid gland. Parathyroid glands contain chief cell which secrete parad hormone or parathyroid hormone. The main function of the parad hormone is to increase the blood calcium level. The main function of the parad hormone is to increase the blood calcium level. Mon rakhi tha. Okay, next come back to disease related to parathyroid gland. Recap. It is a disease characterized mainly by bone deformity in young children. The disease children set in about 6 months of life. Okay, characteristic feature: deformed bones, thick wrist and ankle, retarded growth. Okay, this one is the recap. Osteomalacia young adult रे हमें देखिबा को पड़बा. This is due to inadequate absorption of calcium due to deficiency of vitamin D and calcium in the diet. The disease is limited to female, usually appears after multiple pregnancy and lactation. This disease is limited to female, usually occurs after multiple pregnancy and lactation. That is known as osteomalacia. Hypothyroidism. It is an abnormally low level calcium in the blood. Psychiatric disturbance, paresthesia, development of cataract. Okay, cataract जोड़ा मोतिया बिंदु को है जोड़ा. Okay, माने that happens due to low level of calcium in the blood. माने less than 8.5 milligram per kg. माने milligram per dl, not per kg. Milligram per dl. Next another one, the hyperparathyroidism. Excessive secretion of parathyroid hormone. Okay, characteristic feature: formation of renal calculi, polyuria, polydipsia, anorexia, multiple weakness, general fatigue, calcification of soft tissue. So this one is the hyperthyroidism, excessive secretion of parad hormone. Okay, next come back to pancreas. This one is the pancreas. Okay, what kind of gland it is? We can say. Just write in the chat box. Okay, pancreas जो हमें आउ कोन कहिबा? What will tell? के कहि पारिबो? कह चाट रे लेख. Exocrine and endocrine माने heterocrine. Okay, heterocrine gland is pancreas. Okay, this one is the islets of longo माने गोटे pancreas रो cell तार. Okay, हमें देखिबा को पाइबा. We'll see this kind of cells in the pancreas. Okay, here you have to see that this one is the delta cell secrete somatostatin. Okay, this one is the beta cell secrete insulin. Alpha cell secrete glucagon. You will see this one is the alpha cell. Okay, F cell, secret pancreatic polypeptide. Another hormone is also secreted. That is called F cell, secret pancreatic polypeptide. Exocrine A cyanus. Okay, exocrine A cyanus. This one is the blood capillary. Okay, this one is the blood capillary. Okay, you are looking, man, you are getting this type of images. Okay, that will indicate about the blood capillary. Okay, pancreatic hormone. First one, the insulin. Okay, insulin. Insulin action on carbohydrate metabolism. Insulin increases the glucose entry into most of the body cell. Insulin produce hypoglycemia. Jone jodi what will be happen here? ये कौन करिवो? Okay, glucose uptake in muscle and adipose tissue. Okay, go. ये glycolysis करिवो ता माने. Glycogen synthesis भी हेबो. Protein synthesis रे help करिवो. Uptake of iron, especially potassium and phosphate. माने this function will perform by the insulin. On the other hand, it will stop the proteolysis, ketogenesis, ketone body production बंद हेबो. Lipolysis करिवाकू देबो नाही. Glucose genolysis हेबो नाही. ओके ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस करिवाकू देबो नाही इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस हाइपोग्लिसेमिया मन रखो इंसुलिन जदि दे दिया गला बेसी अमाउंट रे तापर बॉडी रो ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल कमी जीवो दैट विल लीड टू हाइपोग्लिसेमिया ऑन प्रोटीन मेटाबॉलिज्म इंसुलिन प्रमोट अमीनो एसिड अपटेक ओके अमीनो एसिड अपटेक विल बी टेकन बाय ऑल सेल it decreases protein breakdown it will decrease the protein breakdown it promotes protein synthesis especially in the muscle Next, disease related to insulin, diabetes mellitus. It is a group of metabolic diseases in which there are high blood sugar over a prolonged period. This high blood sugar produces the symptoms of frequent urination, increased thirst, increased hunger. Okay, जदि जने बेसी जदि urination गला that is polyuria, जदि excessive thirst ला polydipsia, जदि excessive hunger increased appetite ला that is polyphagia. और यदि बॉडी रो वेट लॉस हला दैट इज नोन एज इनवॉलंटरी वेट लॉस लीडिंग टू ए कंडीशन नोन एज डायबिटीज मेलाइटस सो व्हाट आर द क्लिनिकल माने व्हाट आर द क्लासिकल साइन ऑफ डायबिटीज मेलाइटस पॉलीयूरिया पॉलीडिप्सिया पॉलीफेजिया एंड इनवॉलंटरी वेट लॉस दिस विल बी seen in the diabetic mellitus next come back to glucagon glucagon act mostly on the liver and adipose tissue where it antagonizes the action of insulin okay mone rakhithao mane glucagon will enhance the glucose production whereas insulin will decrease the or decline the glucose level in the body okay enhance mane badhai daba increase okay stimulate glycogenolysis okay mane that means in from the liver and the muscle okay man that glucagon will help in the production of or much more secretion of the what glucose next come back to somatostatin a hormone that is widely distributed throughout the body especially in the hypothalamus and the pancreas okay a hormone that is widely distributed throughout the body especially in the hypothalamus and the pancreas action it regulates the endocrine and the nervous system function okay it regulates the endocrine and the nervous system function next come back to adrenal gland there are two adrenal glands about 4 cm long 3 cm thick it has two parts outer part is cortex and inner part is medulla okay this one is the mane this one present above the kidney that's why it is known as pararenal gland okay mean this adrenal gland is also known as pararenal gland okay it is present above the kidney okay outer part of the okay part adrenal gland is known as cortex and inner part is known as medulla okay next come back to adrenal cortex it produces 3 hormones okay glucocorticoid mineralocorticoid sex hormone that is androgen okay from the adrenal cortex we are getting 3 types of hormone glucocorticoid mineralocorticoid and sex hormone or that is also known as androgen these are collectively called as adenocorticoids these are called collectively called as what adenocorticoids okay next come back to glucocorticoid okay glucocorticoid okay hypothalamus will releasing factor up to the anterior pituitary gland. Okay, that anterior pituitary gland one hormone will be released, that is called ACTA, adrenocorticotropic hormone, that will come through adrenal cortex through blood. Okay, and under adrenal cortex we are getting that cortisol, cortisterone and cortisone are the main glucocorticoid. They are essential for life, regulating metabolism and trace. They are high in between 4 and 8 am and lowest between midnight and 3 am. Okay, next come back to effect gluconeogenesis. Glucocorticoid effects on about gluconeogenesis, formation of new sugar, lipolysis, breakdown of triglyceride into fatty acid and glycerol for energy production. In pathology and pharmacology, have an anti-inflammatory action, suppress the immune response, suppress the response of tissue to injury, and delay wound healing. So glucocorticoid যদি বেশি পড়িব তাহলে wound healing ହେବ ନାହିଁ, মানে সেই ঘাটা ଯେଉଁ woundটা ଶୁଖିବ ନାହିଁ. Okay, that will not heal properly. ହଁ କୁହ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରକାନ୍ତ. ହଁ ଗୁଡ୍. ହଁ ଆରେ ତୁମର 9:45 ହେବ ନା? ହଁ 9:45 ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରିଦିଅ, 10:15 ତକ ନେବା. ମୁଁ ଏବେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେଉଛି ନା. ଠିକ ଅଛି. Next, mineralocorticoid. Aldosterone is the main mineralocorticoid. Okay, it maintains water and electrolyte balance. Just you have to look here, fluid and electrolyte balance. Sodium, okay, sodium ion, potassium ion, calcium ion, magnesium ion, chloride ion. That means aldosterone is the main mineralocorticoid. It maintains water and electrolyte balance. In the body, these electrolytes will be balanced by the mineralocorticoid. Okay, let's come back to sex hormone. Androgens are the main sex hormone. They contribute to the onset of puberty. Androgens in ovary, estrogen and progesterone hormone silpe. Androgen stimulate the testes to secrete testosterone or testosterone the final product. Okay, next come back to the disorders of the adrenal cortex. It is caused due to hypersecretion of glucocorticoid. That is called Cushing syndrome. Okay, Cushing syndrome. Pain in face, neck and abdomen. Okay, pathological fracture, diminished protein synthesis, suppression of growth, hypertension, menstrual disturbance, peptic ulcer. So these are the problems that will happen in the Cushing syndrome. Growth ता माने कमी जीवो, blood pressure बढ़ी जीवो, menstrual cycle ला every 28 weeks रे माने every 28 days रे हवा कथा, that will be harmful. Someone is having up माने menstrual cycle ला after 45 days रे ही पारे, 40 days रे ही पारे, 35 days रे पारे, माने monthly regularity रहिबो नाही, irregularity, disturbance. बुझिला, peptic ulcer will be also be there. Next come back to the Conn's syndrome. Okay, adrenal cortex. This is due to excessive secretion of mineralocorticoid. It is usually caused by tumor affecting only one adrenal gland. If the one adrenal gland is affected by the tumor, then we will see the Conn's syndrome. Okay, you have to look here muscle wasting. Muscle mass komi jiba bolibo. Okay, this one is the fine hair. Okay, gradually hair ta potla heyo. Exophthalmos, I have already told you, the bulging eyeball. Okay, the eyelid will be retracted. Goiter will be present. Sweating, body sweating will be there. Tachycardia, high cardiac failure. Weight loss, oligomenorrhea. Oligomenorrhea माने कौन मेंस कम है बता रहा. Okay, मेंस कम है वो. Okay, जितनी amount रो तामने blood जीवा को था तार जीवन है. Few. Oligo means few. Menorrhea माने menstrual size आगेला. और tremor. Tremoring माने हाथोड़ा कौन है वो? What will be happen here? Tremoring माने हाथोड़ा थोरीबो. Okay, next come back to Addison disease. It is due to hypersecretion of glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids caused by autoimmunity. Remember, Addison disease caused by autoimmunity. माने body निजरो immune system को निजे तामने कौन है निजो को निजे तामने क्षति पहुंच जाएगा. So that what effects will get? Muscle weakness will be there, vomiting and diarrhea will be there, tiredness, mental confusion, low blood volume, hypotension, loss of body hairs in women. So these are the different problems that happen in the addition degree. Okay. ठीक अच्छी थैंक यू वेरी मच इवनिंग रे हमें नेक्स्ट इवनिंग तो नुहे काली टुमारो अगेन विल कंटिन्यू द क्लास ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच टू ऑल